guys, welcome back. It's been a while since I've done a car video, so I figure, it's probably time. Anyway, so today as I was driving, I ran into a issue with my radiator. This is a 2006 Acura RL, and it started kicking the check radiator message. And I found that when I opened this, the radiator cap was busted. So to fix it, you can't really see it now, but there was like a 2-inch crack along the outer radius, outer perimeter. Anyway, can't really see it. So right around there, on the outside. So what I've done was I sealed the seam itself with some super glue, and on the outside I built a little housing to encase the problem. Just a standard 2-part epoxy, and I put some paper towel over it as fiber reinforcement. And on the inside, I had some silicone sitting around, so I just gave it a soft dab of silicone to, use as a gasket, soft gasket to tie me over until the part gets here. This part apparently is very rare. So another issue we discovered was on top of your battery, there's this thing right here. This is a 50 amp fuse. So apparently it's not sitting with the relays right here, nor with the fuse box on the inside, because this is for the 50 amp radiator fan. The fan wasn't kicking on, that's why it was giving me an error. Anyway, so I'm gonna try and find another fuse for it, and we'll go from there. Alright, hope you don't run into this issue, and if you do, I hope this helps you fix it. Alright, good luck.